ang message ko sa NBI, hindi nyo natibag ang Senado. Under Alan Cayetano, hindi nyo natibag ang Senado. Hindi pa naman ako SP, pinagre-resign na ako eh. Buong buhay ko naman ganun eh, di ba? So certain people are called for the job. So even before I took office as Senate President, tinanong ko sa 12, bakit ako? And may reason kung bakit ako. Maybe because I was there during the time of crisis. You remember, nung pandemic, nag-break ang Senate, di ba? Ang House, mas marami kami. Gusto nila mag-break kami. Sabi ko, hindi pwede. Kailangan makita nila may gobyerno. Konti na lang siguro tayo dito. I don't blame naman yung mga nag-suggest sa akin Wednesday night na wala daw pasok the next day, Thursday, at i-cancel lahat. Sabi ko, hindi pwede. Kailangan makita nila may gobyerno dito. So, ang message ko sa NBI, hindi nyo natibag ang Senado. Under Alan Cayetano, hindi nyo natibag ang Senado. So kung sino man, if I continue or may papalit sa akin, okay? Ulitin ko ha. During my watch, hindi nyo natibag ang Senado. Now, kung if I remain or kung papalitan ako, sana hindi matibag ang Senado. The Senate is a target, di ba? Because we are the last line of defense sa pagdating ng hindi impartial na impeachment. We're the last line of defense sa budget. We're the last line of defense sa charter change. We're the last line of defense sa kung merong gustong yumurak o sumira sa ating democracy. I'm not saying we, the Senate, but leadership matters. Di ba? So dun sa nagsasabing take responsibility, kayo pumasok dito, kayo na maril eh. Tapos kami pagre-resign ninyo. Dapat kayo mag-resign.
Wala naman akong panawagang mag-resign siya. Saan kaya niya nakuha yun? Baka may nagbulong na naman sa kanya. And first of all, wala naman intensyon ng NBI or anybody from the side of the executive na tibagin yung Senado. It is an institution recognized since time immemorial, recognized by the 1987 Constitution. Bakit naman natin titibagin? We are there to promote law and order. Not in the Senate, again, because I have a commitment that we will not enter the Senate premises. Nag-usap kami nung Monday, so I kept my promise na hindi kami papasok. But they did not keep their promise that they will take care of Senator Bato de la Rosa. So kung may, hindi po kami yung titibag ng Senado, it's them who are there in the Senate. And I have to say this, I said it yesterday, this is not about Senator Alan Peter Cayetano or about me. Magka-schoolmate po kami niyan sa law school. This is about the rule of law. This is about law and order. So, I don't know if I have to comment pa doon sa sinabi niyang hindi nila natibag. Talagang, yung pangalan ko, sinama pa no? Doon sa pagsasabi niya, no? No, but the thing is, it's not all about him. It's about law and order. It's about promoting the law. Is the institution na ang Senate is one of the institutions that's supposed to be promoting the law and true to their words. Hindi ito about Senate leadership. This is about law and order. There is a warrant issued by a competent court recognized in our jurisdiction. Hindi naman yata pwede na pag senador ka, hindi ka pwedeng managot sa batas.